Yes, I will write the points what we are supposed to discuss today. Today we want to discuss about adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles? Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes, 1 minute, Nana. Yes.
Ma'am, today in mathematics class I learned what is adjacent angles.
Okay. Adjacent angles means adjacent. The name it seems immediately next to children. Suppose if I'm taking, you just observe the line here. I'm taking a line. I'm taking a line. Sorry, I'm taking a yes. I'm taking a line array. I just this is let me name it as O A O A, and I have to draw on the another array makes an angle. This is, we call it as O B. Next, same I can see with the same vertex. I'm drawing one more line. You just see another line here. This is OC. Now, yesterday only we discussed children. What we discussed angle. How you supposed to represent angle? How you supposed to represent angle, Nana?
Ma'am, BOA and COA.
What
are
is
adjacent
angle
angles.
form.
yeah? What are the angles here? Let me write.
Ma'am, BOA,
COA,
This is angle AOB. Why I'm writing in the middle only O children? Vertex.
Angle COA.
Ma'am, we can call it as BOA also, ma'am.
BOA.
Is a middle man. That's why it's.
Exactly.
Because this
Yes,
is
you
a
are supposed to write.
adjacent angle.
Next one, angle BOC. Angle BOC. These are
BOC.
two angles. What do you know these two
COA.
angles? You just
Ma'am, it is COA also.
listen. You just see angle. Let me take the array. OB is common. OB is
Common arm, ma'am. It is a
Ma'am,
common
it's
arm.
B, line B.
which is common arm for both the angles, children.
Ma'am,
OB
B, ma'am.
Line B. Ma'am, line B.
common arm.
Ma'am, even all have common.
Yes.
Common
Is it any interior common, children? There is no common interior. You just observe no common interior. Why? Because AOB is separate and BOC is separate. No common interior. Common interior. Interior means inside portion.
Ma'am, they should be sides, right?
1 minute, I will say. Now, you just see what we supposed to take here. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are what are the adjacent angles, children? How we supposed to derive adjacent angles?
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute. Children, adjacent angles have common vertex. You have to see what is the common vertex for both.
Oh, oh.
Yeah, this is yes, common vertex. Yes, common vertex.
And if this
Common arm, but no common interior. If these 3 points will satisfy common arm, no common interior, common vertex. Vertex should be common, arm should be common, but no common interior. Such a things we call it as adjacent angles, children. You just adjacent angles. Adjacent. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means you have to just, there is a common arm between two angles. There is a common vertex, no common interior space. This is different. You just observe this part is slightly different. Another up, there is no common interior for both. This is completely separate. This is completely, there is no common part in between. But
we can tell arm also, right? No common arm.
yes, common arm we have. OB is a common arm for both the angles, right?
Non-common arms are the side.
Okay, non-common arm you can. But here in this case, adjacent angles means the 3 rules we supposed to check, children. It should be common arm, it should be common vertex, no common interior. If it happens like that, we can go with these given lines are, given angles are adjacent.
Adjacent angles.
Right. Write down children the points also. You have to mention the point. I'll just write them.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, here common arm, ma'am, what does it refer to, ma'am?
Common.
The property of adjacent angles,
You
if
just see,
it
Nana, this part, this arm, this will share for both angles. Suppose AOB is sharing OB and BOC is sharing OB, right? Common arm is happening. Common arm.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why common arm, common vertex. Vertex should be O. O is a common vertex. There is no common interior. Interior means inside
ma'am.
portion. No interior region commonly. It is
Yes,
separated.
ma'am. For that angle, it's on the other side, and this angle, it's on the other side.
Yeah, you have to write that points, children, please. Two adjacent angles are said to be two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles are having
Ma'am, two adjacent, two angles having one
angles are
vertex. That's
having,
called adjacent angle.
having a common vertex. First point, a common vertex.
Ma'am, next point is
Common
common
vertex.
arm.
Second point, common arm. Third point, no common interior. Common interior. These are the three conditions you're supposed to check whether it is adjacent or not. Next. Next, immediately next.
Ma'am, we can say these three as properties of adjacent angles, right?
Next, you have to see now in your textbook. Suppose if you have textbook with you, I will just draw some figures down, children. Let me know what are the angles adjacent.
Okay.
If they are not adjacent, can you please give the reason why it is not adjacent? Shall I draw on the screen, children?
Yes.
Yeah, come on, write down examples you're supposed to give. What is the question? Are these angles marked 1 and 2 are adjacent? If they are not, why?
Ma'am, page number.
Page number 97. Last one you have to see in your page number 97. There is at the end you have some figures. The angles are, this is a common vertex is given like that. There is an angle 1 is given this side, angle 2 is given like that. Now my question is angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles or not? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why?
Yes, ma'am.
All these same conditions are paid for
Yes,
before.
ma'am. They are.
They are
And
adjacent
they
angles.
have common arms
Yes.
and they have common vertex, which is we can keep any alphabet.
And ma'am, they have no common interior.
Yeah,
Yes.
ma'am.
No common interior. All three conditions are satisfied. You just see the middle line is middle one is commonly sharing for both angles 1 and 2, and vertex also common vertex you have here, and there is a no common interior, so that we can go 1 and 2 are adjacent angles. Right. Next picture is given like that. There is a diagram. There is a line is happened. In that it is given as angle 1 is given on this towards right side, left side angle 2 is given. Now my question is angle 1 and 2 are adjacent angles or not? Yes or no?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, they are
Ma'am.
Very good.
They
Yes.
are.
Yes, 1 and 2 are adjacent.
adjacent angles.
Are we going to take class till 7:15?
Ma'am, are you there?
Ma'am, your screen is stuck.
I think she has a network issue.
Ritvik, you can see black screen.
No, I can see, but it is.
Start.
Black screen.
I'm not able to see any black screen.
It's not, the screen is only start. Okay. She left.
Ma'am. Ma'am, your share screening is gone.
Ma'am, they got disconnected.
Hello, ma'am.
Got disconnected.
No, ma'am.
No, Shivaprana, you're the host. Ma'am is not there.
Yeah, I'm the host. I should off recording.
Yes.
Yeah,
you can pause it.
Wait.
How's it?
Let ma'am came because he will ask how ma'am can get the recording.
Yeah.
I think it will be saved in his tab.
Stopping.
Yeah, ma'am can edit it, no problem.
So he should pass, right? He could.
I can pause it. Pause
But
it.
if he stops it, it will be saved to him only. It will be saved in
Yeah,
his.
okay, then do it. Stop the
Not
recording.
pause, ma'am. Will do.
Ask ma'am once.
Don't know ma'am's number. My father have it. Ma'am's number.
Anyone can contact ma'am. I do not have ma'am number.
I've contacted
Hey, someone in the waiting room. Someone.
Call once, ma'am.
Someone.
See who is in meeting.
You can admit him.
Admit. Let's see who is. Okay, ma'am came. Bharati ma'am.
I think ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am is not speaking.
Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes. Oh, sorry, children. There is a drop of network. Suddenly it is disconnected. Just a minute, children. I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Now.
Please mute yourself, Nana. This is about the two figures. There is a very clear idea in this. There is no confusion. Coming to the third question, it's a very wise question is given here. Third figure you observe, children. The figure is given like that. Very wise. It is, I can see many times the question comes in the competitive examination also. This is meeting another line. Here one more line is given. Is it?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. It's not an adjacent
It's
angle.
not an adjacent
Ma'am,
angle.
because it does not have common
No,
vertex.
it does not have common vertex.
Ma'am, it does not have common vertex,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
they do not have the common vertex,
It has
ma'am.
no common vertex, so it's not an adjacent angle.
Ma'am?
Ma'am, your
Are you
network.
there?
Ma'am, we can't hear you. Ma'am have internet issue, I think.
No, I think no, because when you open the participant stage, there is a little bit sound coming from ma'am's side.
Yeah, but we cannot hear, ma'am. Yeah, from ma'am's side it is coming.
Minimum, I think.
You need Zoom in the participants list, it even catches the slightest of the sounds. Yeah, Shiva Pranav is the host now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can I admit Mahir?
Is having some net issue.
Yes, see children.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am, from that time.
Okay, now?
Yes, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Continuously, I don't know what I am continuously talking, why my students are not responding, I'm thinking. Yeah, you just see the third figure, Shiva Pranav. Are you there, Shiva Pranav?
Yes, ma'am.
Shiva Pranav, what is the angle diff? Why it is not adjacent? Can you give the reason?
Ma'am, can I?
But it is up, ma'am. Why means it will be?
Ma'am, can I?
Oh,
Ma'am,
no,
it is
no, 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 no.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, children, wait. Let me call students. Nikhil, are you there? Nikhil,
Ma'am, can I say?
1 minute. I will come to you. Nikhil, are you
Can
there?
I?
Nikhil, if you are there, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the 3 conditions we supposed to check over here? Common vertex, common arm, common vertex, no common interior. Yes, I can see 7 participants raised their hand. Ishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Why it is not adjacent?
Ma'am, they are not adjacent because they are not, they don't have the same, they don't have at least one same line in their angle.
It is there. This is the line
Ma'am,
here.
can I? Ma'am,
Ma'am, they are not next to each other.
Ma'am,
They
can
don't
I?
have a common
They
vertex.
don't have a common vertex.
Ma'am,
They
can I
don't
say? Have a common vertex. Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes,
We
yes.
cannot hear anything, ma'am. All are talking.
Yes, please mute your mic, children. Why? Because 1 and 2 are not adjacent. Not adjacent.
Ma'am, because it doesn't have any common vertex.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we don't have vertex, ma'am.
Common vertex. Very good. No common vertex. Why? Because no common vertex. No common vertex. Very good. Shall we go a little more bits, children, so that you can see there and you can.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Can I answer?
Yes, I will call you, children. There are many questions
Okay, ma'am.
today. Many points also we need to discuss here. I will call step by step, one
Yes,
student.
ma'am.
Now, next question supposed to give answer Aditi. The next question goes to
Yes,
Aditi.
ma'am.
I'm going to give few questions, Aditi. In that, you have to say what are adjacent angles. What are adjacent angles?
Okay.
Let me draw the figures on the screen. There is a line AO, AD. There is a line AD. From this point O, from point O to OC is another way. This is OC. Next OC, then O to B is another way. OB. This. Yeah. Now my question is. In this figure, are the following adjacent angles? So yes or no, you're supposed to give. Let me write the angles. Angle AOB, angle AOB, and angle BOC. BOC. Yes, angle BOC. Then next, this is A bit and B bit is given here. Triangle BOD. Triangle BOD. Angle BOD and angle BOC. These are the 2 angles. Is these 2? Justify your answer. In this figure, are the following adjacent angles? Justify your answer. Why? AOB is one angle. Yes, this is given. AOB means first I'm checking the first one.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in the B bit, both are same.
BOD and BOD.
Next,
Ma'am, both are
BOD.
adjacent
Ma'am,
angles.
for B1 you wrote both.
Ma'am, for B1 you wrote both BOD.
Okay,
Ma'am, the
BOC.
second one should be B or C, ma'am.
Yes, BOC. BOC. Now you have to check this angle BOC. This is angle. What is the angle? This one is angle AOC. This one is angle BOC. Now our question is these two are adjacent angles or not?
Yes, ma'am. They have a
Yes,
common
ma'am, they
vertex
are.
and no common arm.
They have also
No
common
interior. Common interior.
Ma'am, they don't have common interior. They have common vertex and
Common arm. Very good.
Common arm.
Next question.
Normally, but it have.
Coming to next one. Coming to the next one. Angle BOD. Angle BOD means you can, I'll just draw with another color so that you can identify very easily. B, this is from B, O, D. This is the angle. First they're asking this complete part. This complete.
Ma'am, and could you also tell the students name,
Next
like who should answer?
BOC. 1 minute, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
B, another color if I'm taking here, BOC, another color I'm taking here, just BOC. Is this
These
two
also
are-
adjacent angles. These are also
No,
adjacent.
no,
Could you
you're
tell the
absolutely wrong.
students'
You're
names?
absolutely
They are
wrong.
not adjacent.
Ma'am, they have common interior.
Yes,
Common interior.
very good. They have common interior, but there's not adjacent. Common interior. You have to check. This is complete region is asking, and about the next time, this is only this part is asking, which is common for both. But this angle is common for both. That's why it is
Not an adjacent angle.
not an adjacent angles. Very good. They have common interior. They have common interior. Very good, Nana. You are catching the point wonderfully. In some first before case we are taking, there is no common vertex. That's why it is.
Are you there? Anyone can hear ma'am voice?
Is failure.
No, she
This case is failure.
Ma'am, we cannot
Ma'am,
hear you.
for a second we couldn't hear you.
Yeah, ma'am, for some time we cannot hear you.
What happened, ma? Maybe it is not stable network, Nana.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you for some time.
Okay, why it is happening? Just a minute, Nana. Today from network
Ma'am,
is
actually sometimes your network is getting stuck.
very weak. That is why it is happening. In the
Ma'am,
midst
it's
of
coming that
weak signals for me also. It is.
yes, ma'am,
happening.
unstable network.
Oh, yeah. Shall I clear, children? You understand
me,
the
ma'am.
point? What is adjacent angles?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, you can clear.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, today I don't know what happened, ma'am. From 6 o'clock, my net was not working, ma'am. I couldn't hear you, ma'am. Can you tell what we did?
Adjacent angles we discussed, Nana. Just now we are discussing the same thing. Adjacent angles only we are discussing. Ritvik, please listen. Please listen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you like explain in?
Yeah. Just one point I will help you so that you can catch easily. Yeah.
Okay.
There is an angles are given like that. One is common vertex happening in these two. Yes, this is an angle, and sorry, this is angle. No, there is no common here. Complete angle is given. Yes, in this complete angle is given like that too.
Ma'am, Nikhil sent a message that ma'am it's showing network unstable when I'm unmuting.
Okay. Yeah. Now 1 and 2. Is these two are adjacent or not? Is
Ma'am, 1 and 2?
No. They are not. Because
No, ma'am, they are not.
common interior.
Yeah, ma'am, they have common
Yeah, the
interior.
common interior.
They have a common interior.
very good. Why? Because they have
Common interior.
Common
Common
interior.
interior.
One is a part of two, so they have a common interior.
very good. You can see here, but they are mentioning complete angle is angle 2. But this part only one we have. But according to us, we have no common interior. But in this case, there is a common part. One is common for both. So that it is not a adjacent angles. Next, another case is given like that. Ritvik, you have to see if any two angles are said to be a adjacent angle means there is no common vertex. There is a common vertex. There is a common arm, but no common interior. No common interior. Now it is adjacent. Angle 1 and 2 are adjacent. Why? Because having
They
a
are adjacent as they are
Yes.
not having common vertex.
common vertex happening. Common vertex is there.
Ma'am, common
And
they have no common interior.
Yes, yes. Common arm is there.
Ma'am,
There
you
is
didn't
And
no
they have
write
common
angle.
arm.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you didn't write angle 2.
no common
There is
interior.
no common interior. Common interior.
Yes, all three cases are satisfied, so it is an adjacent angles. Very good.
Ma'am, you didn't write angle 2.
Angle
And
two,
it is
sorry.
adjacent angle.
Yes. Yes, these are adjacent angles. That's all children about adjacent. The next, my question to the students, can
Ma'am,
two
it's
adjacent
not common
angles
that
be
it's
supplementary? Listen children, listen, these are very important. If you interrupt means you are going to face many difficulties in further. Don't interrupt the class. Listen carefully. Next further, my question, can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Supplementary means sum should be equal to 180. Can two adjacent angles be supplementary? Yes. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Can two adjacent angles be supplementary means you can see children. Adjacent angles means if I'm taking like that, this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Is these two be supplementary? Yes or no? 1 and 2 be supplementary. Why?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is.
this complete angle gives a straight angle 180 degrees. So we can say that two adjacent angles be supplementary. Two adjacent angles be supplementary. Important point, children, note down. Note down the points also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, here, ma'am, why do we use this adjacent angles, ma'am? Like, where do we use them?
In your further classes, Nana, when you are constructing whatever the construction is happening, either triangles or quadrilaterals or whatever different polygons, when you are going to construct, you need to use this adjacent. You have a lot of theorems in your grade 9 and 10.
No, ma'am, I'm asking about daily life, ma'am. In daily life, where do we use it?
Yes, you have many. You just see vegetable chopping board, pen stand. You can see you have to see the in your textbook also. There is images given, children. You just see there is an images given like vegetable chopping board. You just see the picture. What are those two angles made by the
Yes, ma'am.
adjacent pen stand? You observe the pen stand. You observe the pen stand is also forming a linear pair. In this case, it is forming a linear pair, but those two angles also adjacent, children.
Ma'am, linear pair means sum of two adjacent angles, right?
Not supplementary. Same thing. Linear pair means 180. Supplementary means 180. Adjacent angles, vegetable chopping board adjacent angles are supplementary. In pen stand, the pen makes a linear pair of angles. That means both are supplementary.
Ma'am, and in
Those
future,
are
if
adjacent
you become
angles.
an engineer, then you have to know like more
Yeah.
about it.
Yes. Next point, write down, children. These points definitely they will test in the examinations too. You have to think and learn, children. No difficulties. Two adjacent angles. Two adjacent angles be supplementary. Two adjacent angles be supplementary always. Not always supplementary. Next, can two adjacent angles be complementary? Yes or no? You just
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
this
ma'am.
is an angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
they
can
can.
be.
Yes, you can take
Ma'am,
here like that.
45
One
degrees to
example you
45
take,
degrees.
children. Like that you can take one example. Here you take this example. This is one. This is two. Now
Yes,
you have to make a point. Can two adjacent? Yes, two adjacent angles be complementary?
Ma'am, we have to also give the brackets.
Yes, you can make. Next, can two accused angles be adjacent? This is the question. Accused means more than 90 and more than 90 and less than.
No, ma'am, it cannot be, ma'am.
It can't be.
Yeah, let me. Two accused angles be adjacent angles. No, children, you are not thinking. You just see, I'm taking the angle as more accused. Accused means more than
More than 90 degrees.
90. Suppose if I'm taking this one accused angle. Another accused angle I'm taking like that. If you take this as a base, if I'm taking like that, is these two angles are adjacent or not? My question is this. Is these two angles are adjacent or not? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you said no? Why you said no? Why? Where is your doubt? You just see this is an one
Yes,
adjacent
yes.
angle. This is another adjacent angle.
Ma'am, no one
Ma'am,
said no.
it isn't complementary.
Yeah, no, they're asking about can two accused angles be adjacent angles? Yes.
Then yes.
Adjacent. Yes, ma'am.
Raghav.
Yes, ma'am. They can be adjacent. I
Yes,
thought
yes.
that you are telling complement.
Yes, two accused angles. Accused means more than 90, less than 180. More accused angles be adjacent angles.
Ma'am, I thought you were saying accused.
No, accused. Next, can two acute angles be adjacent?
No.
Hey, can accused? This
Yes.
is the case you have to
Yes.
And they
Yes.
can be
Yes.
take. Case you have to take 1 and 2 are accused angles here.
Okay,
These two
ma'am.
are accused. These two are accused or no? These two are
Ma'am, they both are acute.
acute. Yes.
Acute.
What is question is given? Can an acute angle be adjacent angles to an obtuse angle? Can an acute angle be adjacent to obtuse angle? Yes, no. You
Yes.
just see one example.
Yes,
I will draw
ma'am.
here. I will draw one example. So I'm taking one acute angle. This is acute angle. This acute angle be adjacent to an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. If I'm taking obtuse angle more than 90, more than 90 means suppose we can take like that, right? Is these two are
Ma'am, take one.
Yes, ma'am.
is these two are adjacent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
1 and 2 are adjacent. Why? Because
Yes, ma'am.
common vertex, common arm, no interior, no common interior. So that we can write. Right, you have to write yes, we can build yes, and acute angle, acute. An acute angle be adjacent to an obtuse angle.
Ma'am, does interior of two adjacent angles overlap?
Adjacent to an obtuse angle. What, Srishti?
Ma'am, I was saying that interior of two adjacent angles can overlap.
1 minute, I will come to you. Yes, an acute angle be adjacent to an obtuse angle, not obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. What's Srishti? What's your question?
Ma'am, I was asking that interior of two adjacent angles
Interior of two adjacent angles.
can they overlap?
If it is overlap means there is no adjacent angles only, right? There is no adjacent
Yes,
angle.
ma'am. Ma'am, if they
This is
overlap,
not-
it's not. Ma'am, they will share the same interior if they overlap.
Yes, a common interior will happen. That we can't say it is an
It's not adjacent angle because
Interior of two adjacent angles do not overlap. We can say that.
Next, children, we will start a linear pair. This is also very similar word to supplementary.
But
Linear.
sum of two adjacent angles, ma'am, as supplementary is only angles, but here we'll use adjacent angles.
Yes, yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Next
pair
one.
of supplementary angles form a linear.
1 minute, Nana. Linear pair. Linear pair.
Pair.
The word linear. What is the meaning of linear, Nana?
Simple.
I'm
Simple, ma'am.
No. Linear means straight. Linear pair means straight, Nana. Linear.
Okay, straight angle.
Straight angle. How much?
180 degrees, ma'am. So
Ma'am,
Yeah, linear. The name it seems straight, Nana. Linear means straight. The name it seems straight. Straight angle. Linear pair
Ma'am,
means
their outer arms are straight line, ma'am.
which bit, no? Which one you're asking? The straight.
Ma'am, I'm asking about linear pair, ma'am.
Linear pair means what is linear pair?
Ma'am,
Adjacent.
outer arm are in
supplementary.
straight line.
No, Nana. The linear pair means angles should be adjacent, angles should be supplementary. That means both angles should be adjacent as well as supplementary, means sum should be equal to 180.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, Ma? You understand the point here?
Yes, ma'am.
అంటే straight pair.
You just see everything. Linear pair means if you combine those two
Pair of
adjacent angles.
180%.
Yes. Linear. Yes. Linear means only straight, Nana. You just remember linear equations. Linear equation with one variable. Linear means straight. Linear. The word it seems you have to understand. Linear. Linear pair means straight angle. Straight angle means 180. Linear pair means adjacent angles should be 180. Adjacent angles should be 180. A linear pair is a pair of. A linear pair is a very, very important children. Pair of adjacent. Linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles whose non-common side, very, very important. Whose non-common side? Non-common side means there is no common. Non-common side.
Some side means
Non-common sides are opposite rays. 1 minute and I'll help you. Let me complete the statement. Opposite rays. Suppose if I'm taking here, just let me take a line. Linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common sides are opposite rays. Let me write a few examples. Just a minute, I'll come to you, children. Some students are raising, I'll come to. There is a line. I can draw one more common arm here. Just let me take, use your ruler to draw lines, children, or else I can use my line here to draw. Yes, you can line also so that our lines should be more straight. Yes. Now you have to check. This is angle 1. This is angle 1. This is angle 1. And this is angle 2. Now you have to check, children. These two are adjacent or not? Let me know. These two are adjacent or not? Yes or no?
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are adjacent, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these two are adjacent. And what is the sum should be? If you add up the sum, you are getting a linear pair or not? You will suppose if you add up 1 plus 2, angle 1 and angle plus, if you add what happens? It is a straight angle. What is a straight angle? What is straight angle, children? Or it is a supplementary? What is supplementary? The words are common we are using. Supplementary. What are supplementary angles? Some should be equal to
180 degrees.
some should be equal to 180. So that what we can conclude here, a linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles whose non-common side. This is common side. This one is common side, middle one. Non-common sides are this one and this
Ma'am,
one.
this one and the other one, ma'am.
These two are non-common side. What is that? The non-common sides are opposite rays. You have to see, children, there is a opposite. It is moving like that. It is moving like from same points. So these are opposite rays. You can take it as both are opposite rays. Main thing in linear pair, you have to understand only sum of adjacent angles should be equal to supplementary. That means linear. That means 180. These are the points you have to remember. Sum should be equal to 180. Both the angles should be adjacent.
Ma'am, can we call a pair of supplementary angles form a linear pair when placed
Sure,
adjacent to each
sure.
other?
Very good. We can use. Yes, very good. Next one. This is this 1 and 2 are linear pair, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
1 and 2 are 1 and 2 are linear.
Linear pair.
Now I am going to give one more figure. You have to say whether it is linear pair or not.
Okay, ma'am.
This is yeah. Now you have to check, children. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. But of course, these two angles are adjacent here. But what is the condition is not satisfied here?
And
Which
two
condition
adjacent angles.
should be supplementary.
Yeah,
But here there is no supplementary. Why? Because if you extend like that, you will get a straight angle. But according to 1 and 2, sum of 1 and 2 is not equal to 180. So that it is not a.
It's not a linear pair.
Yes, you have to conclude. Therefore, 1 and 2 are not a linear pair. Why? Because not a linear pair, since these two are not forming a supplementary angle. They are not forming supplementary angle. In first condition, here we can write it as now 1 and angle 2 is not equal to 180. So that this is not a linear pair. You have to write the reason also, children.
Ma'am, so in the angle, the non-common sides, they should be 180 degrees, like a straight line.
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am.
Now, question, sir. Can two acute angles form a linear pair? My question is, can two acute angles form a linear pair? This is one acute angle. This is one more
Yes,
acute.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Form, ma'am, if there are same degrees.
Same degrees. How it is the same degrees? Please tell. Acute angle means more less than 90. Acute angles means less than 90. Yes or no? Who said yes? Please respond, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik Reddy said yes.
Okay, now let me write the question so that you can understand. Can two acute angles, acute means less than 90. Then two acute angles. Acute means meaning enti? Acute means
Less than 90.
Less than 90.
right.
Less than 90.
Acute angles form a linear pair.
No, ma'am.
Form
No,
a-
ma'am, it cannot form linear pair.
Yeah. How means, let me take. Suppose if I'm taking an angle.
Ma'am, because the sum of the measures of two acute angle is always less than 180 degree.
Very good. Let me take. If I'm taking like that, another acute angle means I can take like that, right? Yes or no, children? Is it what type of angle? Acute angle or not?
Yes,
Okay.
it's an acute angle.
Now one more acute angle I'm joining to this. Is this linear pair?
No,
Is
ma'am,
this linear? No. You just see this is one acute angle and this is another acute angle. So if I joined these two acute angles, the sum should be equal, is not equal to
180.
Is not equal to 180.
It's not equal to 180, ma'am.
So can no two acute angles forms a linear.
Ma'am, it's less than 90, ma'am.
False, children. It's false. Next, can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Can two obtuse angles form a linear pair? Yes
No,
or
ma'am, they can't. Ma'am,
No.
they can't.
Yes.
Ma'am, only an acute angle and obtuse angle can form.
Yes, 1 minute. Let me write that.
Fuse
Yes,
is 9 less
Ma'am,
than
only,
90.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
two
only,
obtuse angles can't form a linear pair, ma'am.
ma'am,
No,
only
no,
right
more
angle
than.
can form.
More than you will get. More than you will
Yes,
get.
ma'am, will get more than. Ma'am, right angle can form because 90 plus 90 is
Yes.
Yeah,
180.
ma'am, 90 plus
Ma'am,
90 is
because
180.
180 is greater than 90, so we can't.
Form a
Ma'am, if they ask one means obtuse angle will form. Sorry,
linear
straight.
means straight. Linear
Yes, ma'am.
means straight angle should come. So that if you use obtuse angle, let me draw figure for you so that you can understand. If I'm drawing pictures, you can understand. Let me take a line. I'm taking one obtuse angle like that. Yes, children, is it obtuse angle or not? Please let me know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For this, I'm going to join one more obtuse angle. One more obtuse angle. Now
Ma'am,
you have to check. Now you have to check is these two angles are sorry.
Ma'am, they cannot form.
ma'am, this is not a linear pair, ma'am, because 180 is greater than 90, so we can't. The sum of the linear pair should be 180 degrees.
Yes, Nana. Suppose if you take this is one angle obtuse, this is another angle obtuse. Is 1 plus 2 are forming a straight angle? No. 1
No,
plus 2 is more than 180.
More
One
than
eighty.
180.
No,
So
it
it
is
cannot be a
it
linear.
cannot form a linear.
pair.
Next one. Can two right angles form a linear?
Ma'am, if one is there, we
Yes,
can
ma'am,
form.
they can form because 90 plus 90 is equal
Yes,
to
we
180.
can.
Ma'am, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am, and even an obtuse angle and the acute angle
Ma'am,
can
it is.
form.
Yes, that is also true, Harini. That is also true. But we have to conclude here: no two obtuse, no two acute angles make a linear pair. Only two right angles make a
Linear pair.
linear pair. You have
Pair.
to mention, yes. Two right angles make a linear pair.
Ma'am, you do not have any class today?
Today, oh, what time now? 7:06. No, I will go because I started late for you.
Ma'am, we'll go at 7:15.
Yes, ma'am.
I will go to 7:15, Nana. I'll keep message for them. I'll join at 7:20. Two right angles form a two right. Any difficulty, children? Any other classes you have?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we don't have any classes.
Form a linear pair. Very important points, Nana. Linear pair. Sum should be equal to 180, but both angles should be adjacent. Then we call it as a linear pair.
Ma'am, when they will ask, after some questions, they will ask like a linear pair, no, ma'am?
Now I'm going to ask the questions. Can I ask?
Yes,
Ma'am, it's like finding the x value like that, you can ask me.
Yes. Next class.
By seeing the angle, we can tell it is a linear. Ma'am?
1 minute, Nana. I'm just coming to you. Check which of the following pairs of angles are linear pair. My question is, check which of the following are linear pair. Yeah, in this case, you have to see, children, there are questions are given that one angle is given as, one angle is given as 140 degrees. One angle is given as 140 degrees. Another angle is given as 40 degrees. Another angle is given as 40 degrees. Our question is, which of the following pairs of angles form a linear pair? If
Ma'am,
you-
140 plus 40.
140 plus 40 becomes how much? No,
Ma'am, 180.
Ma'am,
180.
No, ma'am,
180 is a linear
it
pair.
should be 180.
So, ma'am, it is an linear pair.
Ma'am, linear pair, ma'am, it's an.
Yes, yes, 180.
But it is not a adjacent angle, right, ma'am?
No, here separately. What is the question?
And if we
Take
combine them,
the
it's
following pair of angles form
And even pair of angles means linear pair is equal to the sum of two adjacent angles, right?
Yes, adjacent, but here directly they didn't give us two separate angles are given, Nana. Two separate angles.
Ma'am,
They didn't give. Yes, Ritvik.
ma'am, so the sum of two numbers will be 180. So yes, right, ma'am.
Yes, so now you have to see here. There is a 60. Another question is a 61 angle given. Another angle is given one more 60. Is this pair makes a linear pair or
No,
not?
ma'am, because it
no, ma'am.
Add up to 120.
It will be
Ma'am,
120.
because it add up to 120.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
not equal to 180. So this is not a linear pair.
Linear pair.
Next question is given to you. It's a 90. It's 90. And then another angle is given as 80. These two form a linear pair or not?
No, ma'am, it's only 173.
170. That's why it's not.
Not linear
Add up to 170.
10 degrees less.
Not a
ma'am.
linear
No.
pair.
It's not a linear pair.
Now next question you're supposed to see, children. There is an angle given as 115 and another angle is given as 165. If you
Ma'am,
combine
it is not a linear pair.
115 plus 65 gives 180. Yes,
Ma'am,
180.
180.
Linear pair. This is not a linear pair. Second case is also not a linear pair. And first case is a linear pair. This is the way they can give the diagrams, children. From that you can choose. Next part is we have a small concept, vertically opposite angles, children. What are vertically opposite angles? When we call it as vertically opposite angles, you can play this vertically opposite angles using two pencils and one rubber band. You can do it, and the activity you can do happily. You can enjoy that, children.
Ma'am, vertical opposite angles will be same, right?
Yes, vertically opposite angles are same. Both are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal.
Equal.
Very good. When it forms a vertically opposite angle. So suppose we vertically opposite angles short form is VOA, children. VOA means
Vertical opposite angle.
yes.
And we can use this property for more parallel lines.
Very most of the times we will use
Yeah, ma'am, parallel lines.
opposite, vertically opposite angles, a short form for this. We also have short names like Bujji, Bajji. Same way here also VOA. VOA means vertically
Opposite angle.
Opposite angle.
Right. The same way, children, when it forms a vertically opposite angles, if you take two pencils and you can play happily this, and if you take a scissors also you can find.
And with rubber band also we can do, ma'am, one activity. Two pencils and one rubber.
First draw a lines. First please draw a lines here. Let me draw two lines. Let me draw two lines.
But before this, in most of the vertical opposite angles, we use in transversal line, right, ma'am?
Yes, we will go that, ma. Transversal I didn't teach because we will go step by step. Children, I drawed two lines. You just see the screen. There are how many lines I drawed? Is it intersecting? Is
Yeah, ma'am, they are intersecting one point, which is we can keep it.
Yes, these are the two lines. I am taking as a line L. Another line I am taking as M. M. Always we know that lines can be represented with the lowercase letters, right, children? Lowercase alphabets. You can use A line, B line, like that. Like how we are going to represent variables. So the same way we can use lowercase letters for like lines, line L, line M, line P, line R. These are the ways we can represent. Next, in this case, we got two lines intersecting. They are meeting one point, children. They are meeting at point. They are meeting where they are meeting.
In the vertex, in the middle, ma'am. Means it is a.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can point and we can keep O.
Yeah, this is meeting point. they are meeting at a point. You can now mark angle 1. You just take, this is an angle 1. Now you have to take an angle 2. Angle 2. Now take.
Now we can take angle 3 and 4 also.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am.
These are the 4 angles made by 2 intersecting lines. 2 intersecting lines. How many angles are formed? They are meeting at a point. Makes how many angles making, children? There are 4 angles.
Have 4.
Ma'am, 4, ma'am.
Now you have to see, children.
Ma'am, your voice is stuck, ma'am.
Is angle 1 and 3 are equal, children?
Yes, ma'am, they are equal.
Ma'am, they are linear pair.
And 1 and 3 are equal and 2 and 4 are equal.
Very
One
good.
and
Angle
two
1
are
and 3 are
No, we should
angle
use
2
the
and 4 are equal. Angle
ma'am,
2
we should
and
use
4
the
are-
vertical opposite angle because it has opposite angle, so we can.
Yes, when 2 lines intersect, the vertically opposite angles formed are equal. Very, very important point.
Ma'am,
children.
and 1 and 2 are linear pairs.
Yes,
Ma'am, 1
very
and 3
good.
is not a linear pair, ma'am.
Yes, very good,
It
Nana.
does not
1
have
and
common arm.
1 and 2 are linear pair. 4 and
1
3
and
are
3.
linear pair. If you
Ma'am, 1
take
and 3 is not a common, it's not a linear pair because it doesn't have any common arm.
very good, no common arm, but 1 and 2 have common arm, right?
1 and 2
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Ma'am,
three
one
and
and
four.
two are common arm, and they are not, ma'am, do not have the same interior
That
also.
points also you write, children. Angle 1 and angle 2 is nothing makes a linear pair. Both are adjacent angles, makes a linear pair. And angle 4 and angle 3, angle 3 and angle 4 makes a linear pair. That means both the sum should be equal to 180. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and
Ma'am, if first angle you give 35, so third angle also is 35.
adjacent angles makes adjacent angles makes
Adjacent angle means common number.
1 and 2, 4 and 3 makes what? Linear pair here. Now let me give few questions on this. This is very, very important. There is a lot of chances to confuse also. I will give one more situation so that you can, and now you say what are the vertically opposite angles. Till here it is clear, children, for you?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to see if anything happened like that. There's 2 lines are meeting and making a 4 angles means vertically opposite angles always equal, children. 1 and 3 are equal and 2 and 4 are
2 and 4 are equal.
equal. This is very important. This is very important. And 1 and 2 makes a linear pair. 3 and 4 makes a linear pair. Why? Because since both are adjacent angles, forms a linear. Sum should be supplementary.
The common vertex should be common.
Okay. Now one more interesting figure I'm giving here. You have to say what is happening here. What are adjacent angles? What are I will stop once I will give the figure. You can think and come with your answer to next class, student.
Next class.
Next class means coming on.
Okay.
You have next class.
Again, we have on, I think, Wednesday.
We will meet on Wednesday. That's why I supposed to give message for the students. I'm joining for 25 because I'm supposed to complete. If I keep pending here means, see, children, this is line AB, or else you have to make it as any other line also. This is AB line. AB is a line, and another line is a CD. Another line is a CD. They both are meeting at a point. They both are meeting at a point. They both are meeting at a point. Which point? They are meeting here.
Sir, yes, ma'am. There.
The meeting
vertex.
point is called O.
O.
The meeting point is called O. Another ray I just divided angle CAOC. I divided with some more. I divided this into 2 equals. Not 2 equals. I just draw the ray here OE. This is OE. Now you have to say, children, what are adjacent angles? What are linear. Now my question, don't confuse. Very clear. Question is very clear. Now you have to mention that suppose here, suppose we can start with A letter. O D is one angle. This is AOD is one angle. AOD is an angle. What is this angle, children? Angle AOD. Which
It
is
is
equal to what
adjacent
angle?
Adjacent angle.
And even AOE.
Which is equal to what angle? My question is angle AOD is equal to, why? Because these two lines are joining at a point, it makes an angle. Four
Ma'am,
angles.
it is equal to angle COB.
Very good.
Equal to COB.
COB or angle BOC. If you write order, it should be BOC or COB. Anything you can write. Yes, very
Ma'am,
good.
even AOE.
Vertically opposite angles here. Angle AOD is nothing but angle BOC. Next, my question is, this is suppose this angle, if you take a angle here, if you take an angle BOD, I'm taking an angle BOD.
Ma'am, BOD is equals to EOA.
This angle I'm taking. This angle, what is the angle, Nana? BOD.
BOD.
What is opposite to BOD?
EOA. EOA.
Wrong, Nana. Very good, very good. This complete is opposite, Nana. Don't confuse. That's why I'm giving specifically. This complete is opposite. Angle BOD is nothing but this arm is a sharing. This is the sharing.
AOC. Ma'am, AOC is Army Ordnance Center.
DOB.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, AOC is Army Ordnance Center.
Yes, yes, very good. Now you have to see here, children. My question, angle BOD is equal to what angle? I want the question.
Ma'am, AOC.
Very good, AOC. But AOC we can also write it as AOC. We can also write it as COE plus angle
AOC.
AOE. Angle AOE. Children, you can show Nana. This is nothing but this part and this part both together. You are combining. That's why you are. If I'm teaching this point, you are definitely. You have to combine AOC, or you can write it as COE plus AOE together. In next class, we will discuss once again this point. But till before that, what are the points we discussed today, children? We discussed about what are the points we discussed?
Two adjacent angles can be supplementary. Two adjacent angles can be
complementary.
Two obtuse angles can be adjacent. Two acute angles can be adjacent.
What is linear pair?
Linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles opposite way.
Next, vertically opposite angles are equal and vertically opposite angles are equal. And they are linear pair. So the 2 points you have to remember and come back, children. Maybe probably I will test these till where we completed. Till here I will test on the Sunday's test. We are going with this point. So that's all for the day, children. If you have any queries, please let me know so that I can help you.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubts? Children? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Please play with the pencil game, children. You have to, there is a page number. I will give that pencils, 2 pencils, 1 rubber band. You have to take and play vertically opposite angle game. Vertically opposite angle game. Use your 2 pencils and play that game. It is page number 100. Page number 100. There is an activity given in your page. Please do that.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
children.
okay, ma'am.
Bye, children. Have a nice day to you
Okay,
all.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
If
day.
you have any doubts, please let me know, children. I'll help you. Any doubts?
Ma'am, I wanted to know if you pasted the worksheet you said about yesterday.
What is the part I told right in probability, Ahna?
No, the linear equation you said you'll be posting a worksheet. Yes.
Today I will post, Ahna, because yesterday I didn't do. Today I will do because tomorrow anyway Saturday, second Saturday holiday. I'll prepare and I'll post.
Okay.
All together till here, Ahna, till where we are completing VOA, till VOA.
Okay, ma'am.
Right?
will post, ma'am.
What more?
Ma'am, in WhatsApp or Google Classroom?
No, Google Classroom only I will post, or in WhatsApp group also you need.
No, ma'am, only Google Classroom.
Okay, right, children. Everyone know how to log into Google Classroom, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Few students, I think a few students, they don't aware about Google Classroom.
Ma'am, but WhatsApp will be more easier, right?
Okay, then I will post in both, children, because some students, they can access from WhatsApp. My students are so smart, they can access from WhatsApp also. I make my work for easier to the
I can give
students.
WhatsApp, but I'm not aware with WhatsApp, ma'am, because I'm different place.
Okay, I will post in both, Nana. Which one is feasible for you, you can go with that.
I can go with both.
Okay. Right, children, right. Please take care yourself. And
Thank you,
next
ma'am.
Wednesday
Have a
we are
nice
going to meet again. Wednesday we are going to meet again. The portion for your examination is probability and till lines and angles VOA property.
And thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Rajan. Thank you so much. Nana.
Vertical opposite angle.
Vertically opposite angles.
Yes, ma'am. We'll have that
Thank
in
you, ma'am.
yes test.
Yes, till here, till here.
Okay, ma'am.
Right, children.
Bye,
Right.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
What about Kunal Reddy? Kunal Reddy is not happening nowadays. I didn't see him in the classes.
Not